Today, I'm here with a very special guest. I'm here with Demi today, and we're gonna demonstrate to you how to strengthen your ankles, especially for those of you who have rolled your ankle outwards, just like this. Many of you roll it outwards, you pull ligaments and strain it. You need to actually learn to roll it in to strengthen the muscles on the outside of the calf, just like this. Start with the band pulling. Now what you're going to do is keep your knee still, and you want to turn, rotate, roll your ankle inward. Feel the weight moving underneath the inside of your heel. Keep going. So the outside of your heel is actually off the ground. And do that again. Get in the feel for that. Pull your foot up in the air like this. Now do it. Woo. Yes, and turn it out. Now turn it all the way in, pivoting around this big toe. When you get more advanced, take this leg back into a lunge, which you're not ready for yet. Turn this ankle inward to keep the weight on the inside of the heel. Now let's see you lunge up and down through there, Demi. Go ahead. Great. You're strengthening your joint into alignment. You're strengthening the muscles. They're gonna pull your joint into alignment after you've sprained it, or to help neutralize your foot if you have high arches. Do that shit to fix your shit.
Do it. Fix it. Let's go.
Let's go.